What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and today we got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck, and it's a case video. Now today we got a case from Spigen. I picked this up on Amazon. I definitely put a link down in the description if you're interested. Now we done did this case a couple times. A pretty cool case, guys. This is the Ultra Hybrid for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the colorway or the design on this case is called the 01. This is the 01 in white. We can look right here on the bottom of the case and confirm that. Now, basically, this Ultra Hybrid is normally a clear case, but when they do the 01 design, they actually put the design, it's almost like they put a skin inside the case. And the skin inside the case is a design that looks like the inside of the phone. It makes the phone almost look transparent. Now, I think this one will be really dope because it's the 01 in white, and I basically have the white S25 Ultra, you know, even though they call it like silver white titanium, but it's basically just a white on the back. So I think this should be clean and crisp. Also, this is the MagSafe edition. It does have a MagSafe magnet, so that's definitely dope. A quick look at the back, and as you can see, slim design for perfect grip, form fitted for a device, perfect protection. I'm gonna go ahead and get the case out like so. And we got the case, just wrapping off. And here we go, guys. A nice clean case. Now, this case is a hardened case. Like, this isn't a TPU case. This is more of a polycarbonate case. And when I say polycarbonate, I mean more of a hard plastic. You hear that? This case could offer some protection or protect your device in the drop. So as you can see, we got the cool design on the back, and this would be like the interior of your S25 Ultra or something like that, something close, guys. And as you can see, we got the big MagSafe magnet because this is the one with the mag fit going on, so we can use MagSafe accessories like chargers and ring holders. And right here, you got Spigen 01 edition, so we got some branding going on also. Now, as we go over the case, guys, as you can see, you got a raised up lip around the cameras. That's nice to protect your cameras. Now, y'all know when it comes to phone cases and camera cutouts, I like individual camera cutouts for each camera, because let's say I had a purple S25 Ultra, I really wouldn't want the purple bleeding through during the cutout. But I mean, it might not make a difference on this case. It's gonna bleed through whatever color you have anyway, because this is a transparent case with kind of like a skin over top of it. But I think it's gonna look fire with the white. But as you can see, you got like two cutouts for the smaller sensors and the flash, and cutout for the bigger sensors with a lip to protrude out and make sure they protect it in case of a drop. Also, you got this dope design. Spigen also did something else nice. In each corner, there's that little feet. So when you sit this case on like a concrete surface, it's not scratching up your nice design or your nice clear transparent looking case. It's actually sitting on these little feet that's in every corner. So it's giving you some space to make sure when you're putting your phone down and picking it up, you're not scratching it up. So that's nice, just protecting the look of the case. Now, this is a very sturdy case, polycarbonate back and like polycarbonate thick sides. So definitely offering some protection. Now, if you take a look at the sides, we got clear buttons built into the case, but we got nice slits in the button so you get a natural button press. And for the power button, it protrudes out nicely with a rigid texture on it, so you know for sure that you are touching the power button, which is dope. Also, if you want to rock a lanyard, we got a spot for that. And on this side, we just got Spigen branding. As you can see, they got some inserts in each corner, and that's basically Spigen air cushion technology. A lot of times when you drop your device, you're going to drop it, it's going to hit on the edge, and they got an air cushion waiting for it. So here we go, guys. Nice and clean look, like I said. The white and silver titanium on the white 01 case from Spigen, the Ultra Hybrid. Looks really good, looks really uniform. The design looks really nice, honestly. This is probably one of the coolest cases at like a $20 price point with MagSafe. I like this cool and unique design, but this case does offer some protection, especially for these cameras back here. It's a thicker case. It offers drop protection and air corners, things of that nature. Take a look down bottom. You got a nice big cutout for your S Pen, cutout for your speaker, cutout for your Type-C. Up top, you got a cutout for your noise canceling mic. And then again, you got this reminder for this air cushion technology. Now against the titanium, this Spigen branding is very clean. Now, even out front, guys, this case offers some protection. Nice raised lip that goes all the way around the case. So if you drop this case on a flat surface, the lip on the case will take the impact before the display of your device. And it can save you from a cracked or shattered display. Now, this case does have MagSafe, so we're going to check the MagSafe powers really quick. Snaps right on to the MagSafe ring holder. I'm only holding this MagSafe ring holder, trying to shake the device off. I'm shaking it. Only thing that's holding the device is magnetic power, and it's not going anywhere. So the MagSafe power on this case is strong enough. But again, like I said, I'll definitely put a link down in the description. I think this is a pretty dope case with MagSafe that offers some protection at a nice price point with like a cool and unique design. If you like the case, you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. At the same time, make sure you subscribe. I'll make sure that there's a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. I'm out. Peace.